Hi, good morning, everyone. Today is December 22nd. I want to give you a quick recap on the market of yesterday and what's going to be look like today and things happening before the bell. Monday, pre-market was dropped significantly with a fear of UK COVID-19 mutate and shutdown. Dow Jones Industrial Average slipped as much as 750 points, and Nasdaq dropped 350 points before the market opened. In spite of agreement stimulus deal, market pulled back for major index in the morning. The March Nasdaq 100 closed lower on Monday as it consolidated some of the value of September's low. The high range close set the stage for a steady, slightly higher opening when Tuesday night session began trading. The Dow posted an upside reversal as it closed high on Monday while extending its month's trading range. The first resistance is last Friday crossing 33.43 and first support point is 30.013. Euro market regained some losses from yesterday. Asian stock market were weaker. U.S. futures trade mix after House passes stimulus and what's going on. Dow Industrial Average is slightly down while Nasdaq up about 60 points and S&P 500 almost flat. Australia retail sales month to month is much stronger than expected 7%. UK GDP gross domestic product year over year negative 8.6% actual, slightly better than forecast and a lot better than the previous period. UK gross domestic product quarter on quarter 16% actual, slightly better than consensus. US GDP quarter on quarter actual came in 33.4%, which is still better than the consensus of 33.1%. Senate approved the 900 billion coronavirus relief package and trying to make plan how to send a payment. And what I know is that they may send a payment as early as next week, definitely before year end, if they don't run into any kind of computer problem, which is kind of funny, right? You think American is the most advanced and technological country, but a lot of states actually have a very old system, and also the government has such an old system that they don't update. So they were having such a grief and problem sending money out. So hopefully this time they wouldn't run into the problem, as we really need the money. And then the legislation has been sent to President Donald Trump desk for his signature. Then they will really basically finalizing it and will kick it off. And then the other pieces, the news I read earlier is when Biden going to be in office next year, then they will go back and discuss. Them they may provide any more relief if needed to, because really the Democrat was proposing 3 trillion at one point for the relief package, but now it's only 900 billion, really one third of what was proposed. Well, it started 2.4 trillion, then jumped to 3 trillion at one point, and then the Republican want 500 billion only, and then now compromised to 900 billion. Peloton stock surged 11%. The company has struck a $42 million deal to acquire Paccar, a leading commercial supplier of fitness equipment. Cybersecurity stock to see further acceleration in 2021. A senior analyst at Warburg is very bullish on cybersecurity stock given a perfect storm of demand in the field. That's probably correct. Given that SWI was hacked, and since then the stock was down from $25 to as low as $15 in one day, and now we rebounded to $16.50. I kind of look at the chart, and I think from a technical perspective, you probably will go back to $20 pretty soon. Hopefully before year end. Earnings expected, Citus and ComEx are highlights. And on the data docket, US analyzed GDP, existing home sales, and the API weekly crude oil stock deal today. We have 9 trading days left. Typically, the volume would be a lot smaller than normal than on average. If you look yesterday, the index, and you can see the volume was smaller already. I did not anticipate too much of a swing. If I look at last year as a reference point, Dow was swing up and plus minus maybe 100 points, and Nasdaq as well plus minus less than 100 points. This is really a chance to reshuffle your portfolio for 2021. So there's some growth area that potential you may want to look into. I will talk about it when in the last week of December. So you have a chance to think through a couple of days before you getting some new stock into place, or selling what you have, making money, or sometimes losing money too, to take the capital losses, $3,000 for the opportunity, for the benefits. If you like my video, please give me a like, and if you have not subscribed me, please do so. Have a nice and wonderful day.